What's up guys, it's Miss Daphne Hustles. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate your profit for your products. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. I'm going to pull up my Amazon app on my phone and show you how you can actually see what you're going to profit off of a product before you even pick it up to buy it. So if you are outsourcing products and you don't know how to find out how much you'll actually make off of a product after FBA fees and potential shipping fees and cost of goods, you can figure that out right through the Amazon app, and I want to show you how right now, so stay tuned. We're just gonna go ahead and open up our Amazon app. Go ahead and click add product. So like if you're outsourcing products, and this is how you would search the product using the Amazon app, right? So you click the app product, you scan the item. So we're going to scan this book right here, right? Or scan the image. All right, so we have the hardcover. Let's just go with this one. Okay, so we'll be selling this one as you. So let's see what we can potentially sell at. So let's just say that we sell this book at $6.20, right? So right here, towards the bottom right of the phone, you see 4 gray arrows. You want to click the first arrow right next to the 262 gross proceeds. Click that line. Okay, so you see at the top, you see seller fulfilled and then Amazon fulfilled. If you're doing seller fulfilled, you would use this calculator to see what your net proceeds would be. But we're going to go ahead and do Amazon fulfilled because I ship my things FBA. So let's say we sold this. Let's say it has $5.20. We're going to sell it for $6.20, right? And then the Amazon fees is telling you it'll be $5.36. So right now, our net proceeds are 84 cents. So let's say I bought this book for $1. We would be in a negative 16 cents. So this will be something that you wouldn't want to pick up, right? So this is how you would calculate to see if something is even worth picking up, because it's going to show you what your FBA fees would be. You can also put in your estimated how much it would cost you to ship the item. I personally would just leave that part at 0 because I would just calculate that at the end, because normally I can ship a large box of books for about $8 or less. And so I just don't calculate that. But I do like to put in my cost of purchase, or just really look at it and then see what I would profit. So let's try something else. Let's go back. So let's take this HDMI for example. This HDMI card, GE HDMI card. So these right here, we see that we can sell this brand new at, we'll just sell it for a penny less than what the FBA offers have, so $6.36. So let's go ahead and click this first gray arrow at the top next to gross proceeds. And then it already has $6.36 in. The Amazon fees is $4.26. My cost of purchase is $1.50. So this would profit me 60 cents per unit of this HDMI card. I will make 60 cents on. So that's okay. Okay. So let's try something else. Let's try. We're gonna try these Clorox bleach right here. All right. I got my noodles over here. So let's scan this barcode. Alright, so this is a pack of 2. Okay, so we have no Amazon FBA offers selling. We have no FBA sellers selling this pack of 2. So let's just say we list this for $14.99, right? So let's click this arrow. Okay, let's put in. Oh, they're selling. Oh, you know what? We can actually sell this for $20 because the FBM sellers are also charging shipping. So that's why it's matching at the lowest price. We saw 13 something, but they're also charging about $7 to ship it. So let's just say we sell this for $20.99. So the FBA fees on this item is $9.77. And let's just say I'm gonna just leave this at 0. The shipping into Amazon, and the cost of purchase is $2. I paid $1 for each of these. So my gross profits on this item would be $9.22. So this is a good purchase. So this is how you figure out if, when you're outsourcing items and you're using your Amazon app and you want to see if something is a good buy, this is how you would determine if it's worth picking it up. Because if you use the calculator in Amazon app, it tells you how much the FBA fees is on the item that you're selling. You can even input your estimated cost to ship it, and you can also put in how much you purchased, how much you're purchasing the item for, and it'll tell you your profit on the item. All right, y'all, that's it. Let me do one more example for you guys, just in case. Let's just try another book down here. These books are not gonna be anything, y'all, because I already I put them off to the side because of that reason. They weren't worth shipping in right now. But I'm just gonna grab one more book to show you all an example. So I'll scan this book. Alright, so this book used, let's just say we listed at $6.40, right? For example. Let's click the arrow. Alright, so we're going to put in our cost at $6.40. The FBA fees on this item is $6.24. So there's no need to keep going. I can already tell you that this is not a good purchase, right? The FBA fees are too high. So this is really when you're, one thing that a lot of people don't look at one thing a lot of people don't look at, or either just don't know when sourcing FBA, they really do not, I don't know if everybody pays attention to the FBA fees. The FBA fees are determined based on, if I'm not mistaken, the size and the weight of the item. So the bigger the item, the heavier the item, the dimensions of the item, the more that the FBA fees will cost. So that's something to take into consideration when you are sourcing your items. So it's good to use this calculator right here so that you know how much Amazon is actually charging you to sell this item FBA. Alright guys, that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below. And make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.